What's up guys, Lazy Money UK here, helping you get free money online. January seemed like a slower month for earning compared to normal. Prolific came through towards the end, and I was able to catch multiple paid studies. Things really picked up on the last day though when I hit this crazy win on a free casino game. Now I'm looking for something to kickstart this month's earnings. We've received a tip over at Beer Money UK that you can very easily get £5 just for trying out a computer game through Swagbucks. I normally play video games for free anyway, or in some cases even pay for the enjoyment. Games like War Thunder, however, are actually paying people to play them.
Fine by me!
If you're looking for a watered down version of the classic Battlefield 2, then this might be the game for you. After downloading and installing the game, you then have to download and install the game, which takes about half an hour. So word on the street is that you just have to start the tutorial for the offer to count, rather than winning 5 matches like it says. I exited after the tutorial to check, and yeah, it has registered. The 700 Swagbucks will be credited to my account in 6 days' time. If you're not a member of Swagbucks yet and want to try this out, please sign up via my profile so we both get a bonus payment. Thanks for watching Lazy Money UK. I've got some great money making tips coming up, so make sure you've hit the subscribe button. See you next time.